If your GMC Acadia won't start, don't panic. We can narrow down the culprit in just a few minutes. Statistically, 70% of no-start conditions in this vehicle are caused by simple battery or terminal issues. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to see what is really happening under the hood. Start by inspecting your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring the key fob has enough power to trigger the ignition. If the battery is good, focus your attention on the starter solenoid or a potentially corroded ground strap. Less common but still possible, check your ignition switch, the starter fuse, or even the vehicle's security lockout system. Simple electrical cleaning can often get you back on the road, but internal starter failures belong in the shop. This chart shows estimated repair costs, highlighting that most common fixes are relatively affordable. If you are comfortable with tools, use a multimeter to verify power flow to the starter. Keep a multimeter, a basic code scanner, and a wire brush in your kit for effective roadside troubleshooting. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work to keep yourself safe. If this guide helped you start your Acadia, hit that like button and subscribe for more repair tips.